Okay guys, so I would like to talk about today sleep paralysis and vibrations. This is a subject that is coming back on the table quite often, and I find especially in out-of-body experience kind of groups or astral projection kind of groups, we come to a kind of confusion that is keeps coming back, and guys always asking about what do I do if I'm or should I reach the vibrations, what do I do if I'm paralyzed, etc., or I'm scared of paralysis, etc. So I would like to clear it up. I would like to take advantage of this situation and propose to you to take it to the next level and to have astral projection, lucid dream, or out-of-body experience from that kind of state. So watch this video and let's clear up the confusion that is going on our very loved and cherished, passionate field of lucid dreaming, astral projection. Let's clear up the confusion and have a wonderful experience. So, first of all, sleep paralysis is a very natural occurrence, very natural state that is happening during the sleeping time. When we sleep, everyone, absolutely everyone, except some individuals who have a certain condition, now by medical establishment is considered as a condition, sleepwalking or and similar kind of experiences are considered as a condition, but in general everyone is absolutely paralyzed. What is going on is that the nervous system is still firing up through the nervous pathways, but the muscle itself will not be activated. So when you are practicing swimming, running, flying, or martial arts in the dream state or out-of-body experience, actually your body, your nervous system is being trained, and many dreamers actually using dream state to practice their skills, like playing piano or guitar, etc., or playing with their cats, you know. So the important thing to understand is that our body is paralyzed, and that is happening usually before we enter the dream state. Miloba, can you get this cat out? Get out! Shh. This one came out, look. Meow, 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 meow. He wants to be in my video. He's already there. I'm still filming. Still filming, yeah, still part of it. I need to finish the video. Okay. Okay, now the cat is out. Let's go on. So yeah, sleep paralysis is absolutely natural occurrence, and so happen in the mystical or in the spiritual groups. We come to a confusion. Don't take me wrongly, I'm spiritual myself, but I just don't like to be confused. So the body is asleep, and we are having an adventure outside of natural, outside of the daily kind of experience. So call it out-of-body experience or dreaming, astral projection, however you want to call it, but it's not with the physical body. So physical body is completely asleep, is paralyzed. Important stuff to know is that usually facial muscles are not paralyzed, so you can still move your eyes, you can kind of move your lips, etc., but you can't move your body usually. And you can hear actually some guys in the dream state when they try to talk in the dream state, and sometimes the vocal cords will be activated as well. So everything within the mouth, within the face, it will be still active. All right. So if you want to get away from sleep paralysis, if sleep paralysis is causing you a worry, fear, uncomfortable, etc., as funny as it sounds, getting scared of it will usually deepen your experience into the dreaming, and some guys actually use it as a technique to get scared and to use it as an anchoring technique within the dream state. So guys who are actually having a sleep paralysis and are surprised and start to be scared, they tend to elongate the experience of sleep paralysis. So in a short while I'm going to tell you how to take advantage of it and having out-of-body experience rather than a scary experience. So, but how to get away from it? As funny as it sounds, what you can do is you need to completely relax and start to alter what you can alter. So what you can alter, like I said, is start to activate everything that has something to do with your face. Usually moving eyes, you know that rapid eye movement time of the sleep is also associated with rapid eye movement. So moving eyes left and right might not help, but starting talking, or even if you try to talk and you can hear yourself mumbling, that is going to wake you up. That is going to activate the body to wake up. And what else you can do is, what is not paralyzed is of course your heartbeat, but usually we do not have the conscious action on the heartbeat. But another thing that is not paralyzed is our breath. We still keep breathing. So what you can do is to focus on your breath and alter the way you are breathing. So for example, you probably will feel the weight of your body on your lungs. You feel the weight, and this is what the guys are associating. Oh, somebody is sitting on my chest, you know, that creepy creature on your chest, and maybe somebody is trying to steal my soul or something like that. Absolutely not. It's just the feeling of the body in that state, feeling heavy, etc. So alter your breathing, focus on your breathing, and you can just start to breathe faster. Anything that is exciting in the dream state, that is increasing your heartbeat and increasing your breathing pattern, will wake you up. That is a safety guard of the body to wake you up. So when the body detects that something is wrong, you're not comfortable, the body will wake you up. So that is how to come out from the sleep paralysis. Usually actually relaxing and doing nothing will wake you up from the dream state. All the professional dreamers know that the inaction or the lack of action in the dream state, usually, not always, but usually in more than 90%, will be synonymous of doing an action to wake yourself up. So usually the guys stay active. So while you are in sleep paralysis, getting scared, having, you know, some scary adventure there is sticking you in. So if you relax and do nothing, within a minute, it doesn't last more than a minute, you will wake yourself up. Okay. So, but I like to take advantage of it. So instead of getting scared of it, you are basically already in your dream body or astral body, but still on the bed. And usually guys don't know how to use the dream body or astral body, so they try to move the hands or the limbs or the head with the muscles, but the muscles are paralyzed, and the movement in the dreaming state, astral projection, out-of-body experience, is activated by the will, by the intent. So what you need to do is not to search for your muscles that are paralyzed, but search how to move your dream body or astral body, and for that you use your intent. So one practice that I advise for those who have already some experiences is, when you are flying, try to fly without moving your hands. So you don't move anything, just with the willpower, with your intent, you will steer yourself left, right, going front, going backwards, and you will pay attention that your eyes are actually giving a direction for your flight. But try to fly without moving any part of your body, and that will be a very good exercise for you to understand how the dynamics of the intent work in the dream state. And you can apply the same intent during the sleep paralysis to activate your, or not to activate, to get hold of your dream body or astral body and start moving around instead of getting stuck on your bed and trying desperately to move your physical hand or leg, etc. Okay? Now, vibrations. What are the vibrations and what do we do with them? So there's one little confusion that comes up on the in the astral projection groups and spiritual groups, that we need to absolutely go through the vibrational state in order to have a astral projection. This is a big misunderstanding. This is a big waste of time. Do not focus on this. Sometime you will pass through the vibrations and sometime you will not. What are the vibrations? So anyone will tell you what vibrations are, but the fact is, in a dream state, in out-of-body experience, astral projection, millions things can happen. So when you talk to someone, this guy or girl will include some phenomena as a vibrational, and so, but there are some common themes. So the common theme goes with we can hear the sounds when we are shifting from waking state to dreaming state, and there are some common themes that you can notice in the accounts. So I will just give a few, but there could be some other things as well. So one common theme is we can hear sounds from outside, but you can hear sounds coming from inside. So if you have never experienced them, it sounds funny, but that's how it's gonna be perceived. So you feel a sound like it's coming from inside your head, and they have a pattern of a build up. So it's like a sound that is increasing in the volume, and another sound that is very, very particular. It seems like it's from inside your head, is a high-pitched sound that is rising in pattern, and it's very similar to the I always give that example of the flash on a big camera, those flashes that have capacitor that is discharged to release the electricity to the flash. Poof, it makes a flash, and then the capacitor is recharging, and you can hear that sound. So it's like so it's rising sound, and it's a high frequency or something like that, rising, and then the ending of it, rising, either it's abruptly stopped, it's a complete silence, and guys are thinking, oh, my vibrational state is over. No, when that sound stops, or it's finishing by pop, just like I just did, that sounds so you are done. Just stand up from the bed. You don't need to think about how to do the separation, etc. You just stand up with your as usual, as you stand up every day, using your muscles. But you will not be using your muscles. You'll be using your dreaming body, astral body. Just stand up, perform reality check. My favorite is to close the two nostrils, so you can breathe through the closed nostrils. You are done. But you don't need to look for this kind of vibrational signs of sound. So sometimes it feels as well like an earthquake. Sometimes it feels like your bed is shaking, or there is a thunder in your room. Vibrations also have not only with the sound and vibration, it can be also vibrational electrical feeling. So it's like something rising through your spine, going some guys reported from the toes to the head, but often I think more or less we agree that it's more from the somewhere from the lower part of your stomach going to the head, and kind of dissipating at the head level, and like the sound rising and stopping. So once it stops, you can stand up. And I think, and I advise that you actually don't need to wait for it to stop. You can start to move around when you hear that rising sound or those vibrations. This kind of feeling is not your habitual daily feeling. So once you have detected you are in the presence of this kind of occurrence, get up from the bed, perform a reality check, and get on with your adventure. All right. So that's it. So we do not need to be scared of sleep paralysis. We can take advantage of sleep paralysis and activate or get in touch with the dreaming body, astral body, subtle body, however you want to call it, and have an adventure, you know, instead of being stuck in bed and be worried and scared. And if you are looking for the vibrational state, please stop doing it right now. Get away from this confusion. Sometime you will have it, sometime you won't. But dream state, astral projection, can be manifested, expressed in millions of ways. Somebody is talking to your ear and telling, my name is Yuri, so Yuri, please don't do astral projection. I'm like, this is the moment where I get up, I stand up, and I am having my astral projection. It's not my pillow talking to me who's gonna stop me from doing it. Or you hear a couple of aliens sitting next to your bed, or you open your astral eyes and you see some couple of aliens who are discussing about your future. So you get scared and you're gonna stay. No, you're gonna get up, say hello to the aliens and what's up guys, and go on, have your adventure, you know. That's it, it's very easy. No, there is no fear involved. There is no masters to stop you or to tell you what you have to do or you don't have to do. Yes, you're gonna encounter some guides, etc. Your personal guides, you can call them your subconscious, your super soul, you know, etc., etc., you know, so however you want to call it, inorganic beings, you know, etc. So yeah, so that's it. Let's have fun. Let's have spiritual adventure if you want to. Let's stop being scared, and please share this video with other guys, and so that we get away from this confusion. We don't have to stay with this confusion. So I would like to share this with you guys, so please enjoy, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, because you know, there will be good stuff around. So yeah, go on. Like it, comment, make some comments on it, because I will assist you. I will more sooner or later I will be reading you, so I will be helping you out on your own journey. So yeah. Okay guys, please move on. Go to the next one. Ciao. Lucidity for all. Yuri Zaritsky signing out.